Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lecture 2, physics measurement. Let's get started. So, in the fundamentals of physics, we are going to learn about measurement. What's measurement? What kind of measurement are used in our daily life? You might have heard about decimeter, deciliter, centimeter, millimeter, micro, nano, pico, femto, etc. You have to just remember all the numbers. Less than number 1, they'll get the exponent 10 raised to the power minus 1 to 10 raised to the power minus 20. It's some specific gap and 10 raised to the power 1 to 10 raised to the power 20. Let's take a hecto, kilo, mega, etc. So after prefix series, there are some SI units of physical quantity. So what are the SI units? Standard, international standard units. Okay. So for distance, the unit is meter, and for displacement, also meter. Mass is kilogram, time, second. Speed, velocity, acceleration, moment, that is mass, time, velocity, is Newton second. We will study more about momentum in our next chapters. Force is mass, time, acceleration, that's the Newton's second law. That is also a force, but mass, time, acceleration due to gravity. Energy, so there are kinds of energy: work done, kinetic energy, potential energy, and so on. Let's convert the following values in SI units of physical quantities. Okay, so let's say distance is 2 kilometers. So, as you know, the SI unit of distance or displacement is meter, so we have to convert it into SI unit. T equals to 2000 meters. And 3 minutes, 3 times 60 is 180 seconds. Mass is 200 grams. We have to convert into kilograms. So we'll convert into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay? 200 divided by 1000, 0.2. 200 centimeter per second, we have to convert into meter per second. That is 2 meters per second. Velocity is 1 kilometer per hour. We have multiplied by 1000 and divided by 600, 3600. 10 to the power minus 3. So for 1 dm is 10 to the power minus 1, and dm cubed 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. T equals to 1 day seconds is, that's pressure, 0.03 megapascal is 3000 pascal. So consider a cuboid having the following parameters. What parameters? Having height, width, and length. So the width of that cuboid is 2 centimeters and height is 3 centimeters, length is 5 centimeters. So volume of cuboid is length times height times width. That is 2 times 3 times 5 meters. Therefore, V equals to 2 times 3 times 5, 330 centimeter cube. But we have to convert it into SI unit, that is meter cube. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the power minus 2 meters. So cubing both sides, 1 cm cube equals to 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 2 whole cube, that is 10 to the power minus 6. Therefore, 30 cm cube will be equal to 30 times 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. That's 3 times 10 to the power minus 5. So we also have to learn how to write it, how to type or write it in scientific or standard form. The number before 10 raised to the power should be written in. Okay, we'll learn it later on. So here's a quick quiz for you. The width, height, and length, I have changed the values So you have to convert it into meter cube. Okay, you just have to multiply 4 times 3 times 7, and then you have to multiply 10 to the power minus 6 at the end. Have a nice day.